As you can see, our Susie's pink cabbage has a cabbage worm problem. What I should do is take out some of these cabbage plants that haven't done well and make more room for the cabbages that have done well and will do better. I just don't want to sacrifice them. I don't have any more room to put them in, and I know they won't grow anymore if they haven't. So this is where I will have to sacrifice them. Again, thank you and welcome to Lilith's Dark Garden. Brought to you in part by Rainbow Unicorn Flavor. Bang. Without this, I wouldn't be able to make this video today for you guys. I don't have much of an audience anyway. I do this for myself and for blogging my garden and for my children. Also, Ember, this is for you. Wish you were here with us. But you will be. Again next summer. Yeah. We're ready to start our fall garden too. I did try to upload a video last week that said, I put in the description but meant to label it Fall Garden Project. Anyway, it's in the previous playlist, last week's playlist. I will probably upload a secondary video that I took around the same time, explaining maybe a little bit more in detail or explaining the same thing. Hey, this is a learning process for me in doing videos anyway. I'm glad if you're along for the ride that this might actually have some interest. But so for these cabbage worms, I will spray them with a mixture of water and dish soap. Dawn, the blue kind, should work. And then dust them with cornmeal. I was given this advice by a neighbor because we do not want the bees to get into pesticides. We love the bees around here. And also another tip is planting nasturtiums near your cabbage. It'll deter the worms because they tend to like the nasturtium flowers better than the cabbage. So I got those still growing around the bed. We will harvest some carrots and of course more tomatoes. What I want to do with the tomatoes is move it to our covered greenhouse in our fall garden. Also grow some plants up from the ground, like maybe more beans, along with the tomato plants in the actual greenhouse. Yeah, that way we can still keep producing when it gets cooler, but when it is a nice weekend, 80s throughout, so my pepper plants will actually feel the weather when it gets cooler, and that's when I will harvest my peppers, my bell peppers. I actually hope that they will turn yellow or red, but I'll be happy with the green ones. So yeah, we will put them inside for winter, and they'll keep producing for next season. So they do not like the cold. Our lettuce, lemongrass, beans, definitely not my avocado trees. They need to go inside too for winter. I gotta look up some information about Jerusalem artichokes. It looks like the leaves are actually dying, they might be ready to harvest as well. I have Swiss chard seeds, a ton. I'm talking thousands, because I let them grow. I do need to preserve these seeds and well. So that's what we'll be working on this week. Again, I will upload that secondary video about our fall garden project. It's just a start, and I am just learning. Thank you for sticking around. I do this for my kids, for myself, my blogging, garden blogging, I guess. It's what makes me happy. A lot of things make me happy. And Ember, this is for you.